Hey guys, Engineer Pad 5290 coming to you with some updates on the channel. Hope everybody's had a great way to end the summer as well as transition into the fall weather. Model Railroad Mondays is tomorrow night at 4 o'clock Eastern Time. Please come with your Model Railroad questions ready to rock and roll. I do have a lot of projects that are in the works. I just haven't had time to get into the studio and finish them up. I have been extremely busy with other things and trying to make my way back into the studio with some of that. So I do apologize for the delay on a bunch of this, but just working with some things with work and also tending to my family right now. So I do apologize for the delay on some of those videos, but I will be getting those out as soon as my time allows. The Q&A series will continue to go on. I did not do one for September because I'm taking this month off to start up a revised series of the Q&A, which is now going to be done quarterly. So it'll be done every 3 months. So once one 3 month period ends, the next one will start. So we'll have one in the winter, one in the spring, one in the summer, and one in the fall. The one that's going to be in the fall goes from October to December, which is kind of the fall slash year end, and the winter one will transition from winter, January, February to the first part of spring, which is March, and then we'll do April, May, June, and then June, July, August, actually July, August, September, and then October, November, December. So that's the way that's going to work. So it will give you guys some more time to answer questions in a longer period of time. So let's say you post questions now, and then in about 4 weeks you decide you want to add one. You have more time to do that. So I will continue with August's Q&A responses as according to plan, but just bear in mind the fact the next one will not take place until October. So this month is going to be um, kind of an off month just to kind of get ready to transition into the next one. That will give me some time to reorganize a few things and get that out on October 1st. So a lot of things are getting ready to happen, guys. It's just going to be a little bit of time. But Model Railroad Mondays is continuing to be a monthly thing. That has been an instant hit. So thank you all for your continued support on those, as well as my channel on some of the other releases that I have out. So definitely look out for some new releases here in the upcoming months. So anyway, that's the updates I have. So just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. Tap the notifications on for all the latest updates, and I will see you guys down the main line. Thank you all very much, and I wish you all clear signals ahead.